Welcome to Memphis!
Another day, another adventure. We're off to Tennessee.
That's the Memphis sign. On your left is the Great American Pyramid. We will go there later.
That's the bridge connecting Arkansas and Tennessee. Ate, where are we?
We are in the Mud Island River Park. So you can see the Mississippi River walk in the state that where it goes or like flows.
So that is the representation. This one without water.
So right now we are in Tennessee.
Star.
That's it.
Probably that's Arkansas. That's Arkansas, and then this is our current location, Mud Island.
That's right. Come to Arkansas.
Come to Arkansas.
Syempre, hindi namin papalagpasin na magkaroon ng photos dito sa Memphis Bicentennial Sign. Sobrang cool. Now, papunta naman kami dito sa downtown ng Memphis.
We are going to the Beale Street.
Entering the world-famous Beale Street. Let's go.
Beale Street is a street in downtown Memphis, Tennessee, which runs from Mississippi River to East Street, a distance of approximately 1.8 miles. It is a significant location in the city's history, as well as the history of blues and music. So I'm very blessed and thankful that I have seen Beale Street in person. Syempre, F na F namin na nandito kami in person. Sige pa, sayaw pa. Sayaw lang. Definitely feeling the rock and roll. Oh, ayaw pa huli. Sige lang, sayaw na naman. Ang saya lang maglakad-lakad dito sa Beale Street. Kasi it's really a testament to Memphis' rich musical legacy and cultural history. Kaya maraming pumupunta rito every year.
Gift shop.
Yes, let's go.
Dito na kami bumili ng mga pasalubong namin. Mga ref magnets, may mga t-shirts din sila, may mga mugs. Guys, that's the statue of the famous Elvis Presley. The Great Elvis. Next na pupuntahan namin ay ang The Memphis Pyramid. So, di ba ang interesting na may pyramid-shaped building located sa downtown ng Memphis? Ngayon, home na siya ng Bass Pro Shop. Siyempre, aura muna tayo dito sa The Great Pyramid. Let's go inside. Nakaka-excite. Ay, may pagsampal. Ay, may pananakit. Grabe siya.
There's a big sturgeon here.
Hi, welcome to Memphis Pyramid. So you can reach up top with this elevator and they have a viewing deck.
Wow. 599.
Ayan, kitang-kita. Dito kasi sa part ng US na to, hobby talaga nila yung hunting. Kaya yan yung mga display. Ayan, may naka-taxiderm pa.
The pyramid at night. Yay! So much fun for today.
I want to show what I bought.
Show it. Wow!
The famous
Pro Shops. Wear it. Wear it with pride.
Uwian na ulit. Talagang road trip lagi dito sa US. Sanayan talaga dapat pagdating sa biyahe. For dinner, bumili na lang kami dito sa Cajun Fried House. Paborito daw to nila ate. Kitang-kita naman ang sarap. So, merong garlic na seafood, merong calamari, yung fried rice nila, masarap din yan. And then, syempre, yung Cajun seafood nila. Kain na! Let's eat! Wow! Cool yan! Nag-prepare kami for Ate Val's birthday sa Lubong. Successful naman kami ni Archie. Ang ganda nung setup. And then, for her salubong, Korean barbecue kami. Ayan. I love samgyup. Ang sarap. Tapos meron pang Wagyu steak. Yummy talaga. Preparing drinks.
What's for tonight?
It's gonna be whiskey sour.
Whee!
Ordered by Archivar.
Ano na yan?
New York sour.
New York sour.
Ready na ang mga drinks. Siyempre sa akin di ako umiinom. So, mocktail lang na sa akin.
Thank you, Lord. May license na ako!
Off to where?
California.
Wow! Homemade kaya toast for breakfast. My wow! Before we go to Texas.
For lunch, sa biyahe, kain kami dito sa Sonic. So, para lang siyang drive-thru style, order ka lang dyan, and then, ibibigay na nila sa'yo yung food after. Ayan, kain while driving, ganun talaga. So, 6 hours pa kami sa Texas. Regards to Sonic food, okay naman siya, masarap. Typical burger, same naman sa akin, lahat ng burger, lahat masarap.
Wow, that's massive.
It's a
Try
foot
it.
long.
How is it? Good?
Paano yung tulog? Ay, tulog siya. After almost 6 hours of driving, ginabi na kami, nandito na kami sa Dallas, Texas.
We are having our dinner here at Texas Roadhouse.
Matagal lang yung waiting time niya. Ayan, parang almost 2 hours kaming nag-wait para makakain.
Starters!
Starter, wow. Lambot.
Yummy!
Celebrating sa Ate Val's birthday here in Texas. Thanks for the treat. And then, goals talaga na makakain pa ng ribs dito pa sa Texas. Super sarap ng dinner namin. Close-up view sa mga food namin para mainggit kayo. Ayan, di ba? Napakasarap. Grabe. Pati ako natatakam habang tinitignan ko. Kain! So, nagstay kami dito sa Westin Hotel. Thank you, Cami, for helping us. Check-in time. This is the main area. There's Ate Lizette and Ate Valerie over here. So, we have 2 huge queen-size bed.
And I quite like the living room in here too. It's big. It's cozy.
It's so
Big.
It's
cozy.
relaxing. After a long drive and a long day.
Alright, so take a look at our view in our room.
Wow, that's amazing. That's Omni Hotel.
First day in Dallas! Yay! Let's go!
And explore downtown.
First stop is the Giant Eyeball.
Photo shoot. At the Giant Eyeball.
We have reached Dili Plaza and here is the JFK Memorial Monument.
This looks like the Toronto's old City Hall. That's the Texas flag.
So behind me is the building where the assassin took a shot to JFK.
6th floor of this building. Next stop, Reunion Tower.
Hi guys, we are here at the Reunion Tower. By the way guys, Reunion Tower is 561 feet and it is one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Sobrang ganda ng view sa taas. Tropang Dallas, sobrang worth it talaga ang pagpunta rito and sobrang thankful for this opportunity to bond. Thank you, Lord.
What's for lunch?
We're going to have pizza.
Pizza. Lunchtime. Lunch. Yours is
I forgot the name. It's from Birdie.
mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and cheese with chicken fillet and fries.
Overload.
Mine is beef brisket bowl.
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean. Theirs as well. And then shakies.
Full time. Let's go and enjoy the amenities. Let's swing. our own pool.
So nobody's inside. We got the pool to ourselves.
Ate, magkano tubig?
Kasi $3 isa eh. So, kumuha na lang ako sa gym, kumuha ako sa babae. Kasi malakas kayo sa tubig. So, ayan. Tsaka, economical talaga ako. So,
Di wow.
Check out time. Last day here in Dallas. Thank you guys.
thank you.
Thank you, Texas.
Thank you.
We had fun.
And
Thank
we
you.
were able to rest. Yay.
And swim last night.
Yeah, sure. Perfect.
Trying out Jollibee here in Dallas. Yay!
Jollibee.
Medyo naalala ko lang parang hilaw yung naibigay sa akin kaya pinabalik ko yung chicken. Tapos ganun pa rin pero masarap pa rin. Dahil Sunday, nag-mass kami dito sa Dallas. And ang nakakatuwa dito, ang ganda ng simbahan. At first time ko dito, so nag-wish ako. And bumili ako ng lalagyan ng holy water. Tapos meron silang only refill ng holy water. Only refill. Pero I feel so blessed. Syempre, hindi buo ang US trip pag hindi mo na-try ang In-N-Out. So first time ko, nag-double-double ako dito if I remember correctly. Ayan yung mga burger. And sobrang sarap niya talaga.
This is In-N-Out's double-double burger. So it has 2 meat patties and 2 cheese slices. Let's try.
Taste test.
Yummy.
Can you compare it with any other fast food chain?
It's good. It's different. Tastes different. So.
Kain na tayo.
Wingstop for the last dinner. Kain here. Thank you.
That's 5 hours drive.
5 hours drive. Thank you very much, ate.
Garlic Hawaiian.
Wingstop. Thank you, Lord. Kain.
Para surprise.
Bawal.
Kain. Ate, just dance. Move.
Dahil last day na namin, nagsusulat na kami ng letter for Ate Rosén and Ate Val for hosting us. And super na-enjoy talaga namin ang buong US trip. Sulit na sulit, ang dami naming napuntahan. From, syempre, Chicago, Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, New Orleans. Sobrang worth it talaga. Thank you guys for new memories.
Bye-bye. Ayoko pa umuwi. Ayoko pa umuwi. Off to the airport, but first. Thank you very much.
Ay, ano si Rupert, ate?
Thank you.
May gift nga kayo?
Ayun.
Oh, sweet naman.
Yung
Ano,
paleta.
picture. Oh, tignan natin. May ribbon.
Saan mo na?
Ay, may letter.
Magda-trend ka pa!
Ayoko kong basahin mo na. Ayoko mo na basahin mo.
Ah, binasa na!
Ayoko kong basahin.
Alam, ako din.
Ganda ng pictures.
Uy, ang ganda.
Nasa bahay pa may iyak na
Ay, inubos yun na yung bala ng Insta. Ay, ang ganda.
Ayoko mo na basahin. Babasahin na ni ate.
Oo, kala ko di ako iyakin.
Happy pa kasi nga. Ang ganda ng mga pictures. Happy birthday.
Thank you
Sulit.
very much sa inyo. Sobrang
Sulit
sulit.
lahat ng-
Sulit. Thank you.
Ng year ka.
Hindi ko kaya yung
Diba,
letter.
ano, it's a It's a prank to.
It's a prank! January 10!
Bukas pa.
Dear Ate sa ate mo, una sa lahat,
Basahin mo na talaga.
love you both to more successes.
Uy!
Tingnan nyo, dami picture. Ang ganda. Oh, lahat ng pinuntahan. Thank you guys. Masaya din kami. We love you both.
See you soon. Pa din.
Bye, South Olive. Cosmo, bye.
Ingat daw sabi ni Cosmo.
Zep, zep. Thank you. This is it, Ponsit.
Ingat kayo, hindi na kami
Thank you.
nakapag-park. You're welcome. Ingat kayo, Arch. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Ingat kayo.
Thank you
Galingan
sa
niyo
mga
sa
bati.
Thank you,
Group hug.
hug.
Thank you so much. Bye guys. Thank you very much for a wonderful US trip.
You're
Love you
welcome.
guys.
Balik kayo. Sakali na.
See you again in
I love
another
you
state
po. I love you po.
again.
Ingat kayo. God
Bye.
bless you.
It was truly a wonderful trip here in US. Thanks to Ate Resen and Ate Val for the new memories. Time to go back to Toronto, but I will cherish this moment forever. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Love you all. Bye!